All right, guys, so today we're doing a video on installing this Farfromstock hinge for the first gen. The reason why I have my damn mask on is because when I'm trying to grind these things off, it's kind of hitting my face. So I'm trying to be safe, kept my 6 feet distance away. I just mess with you guys, but no, yeah, pick this crap up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. There's the one I have right now. Here are the metal pieces that I took off already. The person that previously used to have this truck, they welded these things on there. It was a pain in the butt taking them out. Here's the other one. I had cut it before and I cut my damn license plate. And I just kind of bolted this thing on there just for right now because of the body lift and whatnot. And that's not the fun part. Let's go underneath here. So underneath here, I already kind of grinded all that weld off right there. And here as well. They welded all this thing in here and on top of here all the way across. Now, I don't know why they added this piece right here. It looks like the frame kind of cuts off right here. And if you look over here, it goes all the way through. So, I don't know why they did this. They could have just welded it from the outside. Don't weld it inside this. So I have to take off my my rear bumper off, so that way I can grind this off on top of here. But yeah, that's. Oh God, I'm falling. So that's where I'm at. I took off my my tailgate. And now I'm gonna take that one off. For you guys out there, I know a lot of people were asking me about these bumpers. Don't look for these. Get the ones from Farfromstock. They're a lot more better. These, I just had to bolt them on right here, and I had to do out the cutouts for this. So that being said, let's take this bumper off and start cutting away with the grinder. All right, guys, as you guys can see right here, since you guys couldn't really tell from me being inside there, look, they welded this plate on there. They welded one outside, but you should have just kept the one outside. Don't weld the one inside. Like this is I don't know, but in order for me to put this Farfromstock hinge on, I have to remove this because it slides in here. That's the great thing about Farfromstock stuff. You know, they make everything just easy. It's just simple. So yeah, and while you guys are at it, like I said, get the rear bumper, get the hinge for them. It's like the perfect match. You know, it's like picking a ring with blindfolded, giving it to your wife or your girlfriend, and it just fits like snug. So let's go back ahead and grind this crap off. All right, guys, so after I don't know how many days it took me because it gets dark as hell, but whoever, you know, the previous owner put this huge piece of plate right here. Oh snap, you can't even see. And yeah, I need to bring this thing back in here, and what I'm gonna do is have Larry make like a plate that goes down like this and scoops this way, because I guess the reason they did that was because it was missing a piece right here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do. And I have to cut this off as well. They did so many weird things. I don't know if you guys can see because it's dark, but yeah, I finally took this crap off. I still ask myself why. Jeez. But for those who have these first gens and don't have this crap, you would have been done. Literally, it would take you, I don't know, like what, 30 minutes? You know, loosen those bolts up, take it out. Well, let's say an hour. Let's be more realistic. It would take you about an hour, because all you have to do is you have to take off the bumper and then
take off your old hinge. If it's welded, make it 2 hours. And just take off the little nut, the small welds, I guess, if it has. I doubt it though, but this is ridiculous. This is literally taking me forever. There's always something that goes wrong, man. And then guess what? I broke a sledgehammer as well. So there you go. Another piece of crap that you get from Home Depot. So I'm gonna go eat a pizza now. All right, guys. So I bent that thing back in. I am gonna need like some kind of plate because, like I said, I guess the reason why they didn't have this here was because this was cut off. I don't know. But I gotta bend this back up, and I'm gonna try to get like a plate so that way they can weld it to this right here, and then make an L and have that welded so that one, so this is secured. I had to move my horn blaster tank a little bit further back. I need to adjust all my wiring because it's all over the place. I wouldn't cut it. Here I have all the bolts inside here, and I might just have them tack welded in certain sections so that way it's, you know, a bit more sturdier, but not tack weld the whole thing. You know, I don't want to weld the whole thing onto it, just tack weld certain sections. But I got all these bolts in here. I need to put that one back there. See, and that goes over there. So you have to cut off those bolts that go into your leaf springs. Take it out, put a bolt, and you should be fine. All right, guys. So I put everything back together. I had to do a few things because I cut a couple wires. It was a ground, but you know, this is no biggie. Just make sure your battery is disconnected if you're doing this, in case you cut some wires. But like I said, you wouldn't go through that if you didn't have all that mess that I had to take off, which is all over here. Check it out. Last night was dark. That big old piece was in the way. I mean, these things were minor. These were welded, but below the frame. But still, you know, all I use is that chisel right there, hammer, sledgehammer that I broke, that breaker bar, and yeah, and look how flush that thing looks. It looks so flush in there. These are from my LEDs in the back, so I need to rewire them. I'm not even gonna connect them because since I'm using the Farfromstock rear bumper, I'm getting rid of this one. But just look at how it's flush in there. It's just flush. You can even see my horn blaster's horns right there. But clean. I mean, this thing looks clean, super clean. But other than that, guys, I do recommend you guys getting this this bumper right here. It's well, not the bumper, but the bumper as well. Not this one, the Farfromstock bumper. I do recommend you guys getting the Firstgencummins toe hinge. It's worth it, you know. I got mine powder coated already. Well, not powder coated, but painted already. You know, you can put your thing for your trailer, connector for your trailer. You have to put your 2 hooks, and you don't have to worry about getting that additional piece right here, because you know, most of these new trucks, you have to have that extra sleeve and whatnot. It's already in here. This thing is sturdy. Like I said, I still have to add a little piece over here, and I'm gonna do some tack welds. Well, I'm gonna have my buddy do some tack welds on there, so that way, you know, it's reinforced and it's strong enough, but not weld the whole thing on there. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, I'll catch you up, guys, for the next video. Peace.